In the heart of Lahore lies one of Pakistan's most famous Sufi shrines, the Dada Darbar. Thousands of devotees flock here every year to pay their respects to the revered Sufi Saint, Hazrat Dada Ganj Bakhsh. The annual Urs festival is a particularly special time at the Dada Darbar. Devotees from all over the country gather to celebrate the life and teachings of the saint. Qawwali performances, which are a form of devotional music, fill the air and add to the festive atmosphere. For many Pakistanis, Sufi shrines and festivals like the Urs of Hazrat Dada Ganj Bakhsh are an important part of their cultural and spiritual identity. They offer a way to connect with their religious heritage and to find peace and solace in a busy and often chaotic world.